Want to customize the toolbar in Brave browser? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add, remove, and manage toolbar buttons so you can make Brave look and work exactly the way you want. Let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Next, click the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings page, look at the menu on the left side and click Appearance. The Appearance section contains various options that affect how Brave browser looks and behaves. Look near the top of the page for the Customize Your Toolbar button, then click it. A panel will appear on the side of the browser showing all of the available toolbar buttons that can be displayed. From here, you can simply turn buttons on or off depending on your preferences. For example, if you frequently visit a specific home page, you may want to enable the Home button so it's always available on your toolbar. If you regularly download files, you can enable the Downloads button for quicker access to your downloaded content. You'll also find options for features such as print, delete browsing data, and several other shortcuts that can save you time by putting commonly used actions directly on the toolbar. As you enable or disable options, you'll see the changes take effect immediately, allowing you to preview your toolbar layout in real time. Customizing the toolbar can help keep your browser organized by hiding buttons you never use while making important tools easier to access with a single click. This can be especially useful if you use Brave browser every day and want a cleaner, more efficient browsing experience. If you ever change your mind or want to start over, don't worry. At the bottom of the toolbar customization panel, you'll find a Reset to Default button. Clicking this button will restore Brave's default toolbar layout and remove any customizations you've made. This makes it easy to experiment with different toolbar setups without worrying about permanently changing anything. And that's it. You now know how to customize the toolbar in Brave browser, including how to add helpful buttons, remove the ones you don't need, and reset everything back to the default layout whenever you want. If you found this guide useful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more Brave browser tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.